Okay, the goal of this video is to find a point that partitions a directed line segment, RT, in a 2:3 ratio. So what we have is a point, R, and it creates a segment, RT. And what I want to do is find a 2:3 ratio. I want to find the point that creates that 2:3 ratio. So if we're starting at your house and going to the school, so if your house is R and the school is T, and we want to stop and get breakfast on the way, let's say that maybe from your house to breakfast is a 2 ratio. So breakfast is right here, and then from breakfast to the school is another 3 miles. So from your house to the breakfast is 2 miles, from breakfast to the school is 3 miles. So how many total miles are there in between your house and the school? So if we count, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 total pieces. So a 2:3 ratio creates 5 total pieces. And we're trying to find this point here using the formulas. Now these formulas will be given to you on the EOC. So if our starting point is R, that makes R x1, y1, and T is my ending point, which is x2, y2. From here, I have everything that I need. I've got my ratio, and ratios are written as an A to B. So I've got my ratio, I've got my starting point, my ending point, and I can use either one of these formulas to calculate the point that separates that 2:3 ratio. I'm going to choose to use this top formula right here. And this top formula, I think, is just a little bit easier and more user-friendly. So my goal here is to find that coordinate. So the answer is a coordinate when you're partitioning and finding that point. Okay, so B is going to be the 3 in my ratio times x1, which is -2, plus A, which is 2, times x2, which is 8. And I'm dividing that by B plus A, which is 3 plus 2. So that stands for the x-coordinate of my point that partitions. Okay, for the second side of the formula, I have B, which is 3, y1, which is 1, plus A, which we know is 2, times y2, which is 11, over 3, again, 3 plus 2. So what we're doing is we're substituting our values that we already know, and we just have to simplify this, either in our calculators or just using those fantastic math brains that we have. So 3 times -2, I know is -6, plus 2 times 8, which is 16, all over 5. And then 3 times 1 is 3, plus 2 times 11, which is 22, all over, again, 5. Okay, again, what I'm solving for is a coordinate. So -6 plus 16 is 10 over 5. And then 3 plus 22 is 25 over 5. Reduce those fractions, and our point that partitions the segment RT is 2, 5. So our goal is this coordinate, and this point right here, that point is 2, 5.